Welcome back to Journey Alberta. I'm Sean, and today it's very bright out here. That's why I'm squinting. Today I'm out in No-Sell Park with my friend Jesse. We're gonna walk around here, explore, maybe try and find a few geocaches today. It's actually a fairly nice day out. There's a little bit of wind, that's why I've got my hood up, but it's a fairly nice day out here. Probably only about -3, maybe -4 degrees Celsius. Today we're trying something different though. Jesse has the GoPro. It will be now dubbed Jesse Cam. Whether or not that's going to be a good idea, it remains to be seen. We're going to walk around out here today. Hopefully, like I said, we can find some geocaches.
Me and Sean are just kind of walking around geocaching, and it's kind of a contradictory day because we have the sun out shining bright, yet temperature is fairly chilly, especially on some of the extremities. So just because the sun's out doesn't mean you can bring your guns out. You look like Clark Kent.
Clark Kent?
Yeah, him. Oh! Ah!
Oh man.
Oh, I banged my head.
Ouch, that looked like it hurt. Alright, so this is inside this little tree fort here. It's a little small, but you know, I think we could actually probably fit Jesse in here too. It's not very big in here, but it's still pretty cool. A little bit of relief from the wind that's out here. Kind of in this whole forest actually, but especially in this little tree structure here. It's kind of neat. This is really eerie. Hopefully I can, hopefully Jesse's recording on the GoPro right now, but I don't know where he is. I can't see him, but I can hear him cackling off in the distance. Jesse? And of course, he's not answering. Jesse! Oh, I hear him. Over there, over that direction. Alright, we're gonna try and find a geocache now. Maybe the first of a few, hopefully, today. So we got our destination locked on that. We're gonna start heading in that direction. Try and find this first one. Closing in on that geocache. It was about 700 or 800 meters from the parking lot when we started looking for it, when we started venturing towards it. We're only about 100, 150 meters from it right now. We're getting close. Might be tough to find though, because well, we're out in the open right here. It might be buried in the snow. That geocache was a bust. We did not find it because it's supposed to be in the field behind me right there, but in some spots, there's like 2 or 3 feet of snow. Some almost impossible to find. So we're heading to another one now. Hopefully should be a little easier to find. Got the coordinates for it. It's about 500 meters from where we are right now. Well, you know, even if we don't find this next one, the good thing about coming out here today is that we're getting some exercise, we're getting out, we're, you know, experiencing the outdoors. So even if we don't find anything today, that's still a positive to coming out here today. We're only about 120, 130 meters away from the location of the second geocache we're trying to find today. I hope we can find it. It should be noted too that I never said before which entrance of Nose Hill Park we actually came in today. We came in the one that's on the far west, kind of right in the middle of the park. So right near, I believe, the community of Edgemont. Alright, let's see if we can find this geocache.
Look at them coyotes over there. You see them?
Well, I searched for probably a good 10-15 minutes for that geocache that was in there. Couldn't find it. It's too small, I think, and it's just too much snow out here to try and find that one today. It's supposed to be a small one. Yeah, there's about 3-4 feet of snow in the trees where I was trying to search. Just impossible to find it. We're gonna start making our way now back towards the vehicle. Got a long walk back, probably a couple kilometers actually. We came pretty far today. So let's go. We are almost back at the parking lot now. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching our failed geocaching hunting today. We still had a lot of fun though. It's great to get out here and exercise. Even if it is a little bit of a cold day out. So make sure to leave a like and a comment. Subscribe for new videos coming every Friday. I will see you next week.